All right, so how's the course been for you, Dr. Washington?
The course has been great. Excellent course.
All right, so were you able to get a lot of hands-on
Oh yeah,
experience?
almost too much.
So what prompted you to come out for the training?
Well, I have a med spa and I do some procedures. I'm interested in stem cells, and really wasn't versed on stem cells and also joint injection of stem cells. And this had hands-on training of stem cells and both. So I said this would be the training for me.
And was it pretty much what you were hoping to experience?
It was that and more because there's some joints I never thought about even doing, and with the ultrasound, it makes it a lot simpler, and it's very good teaching.
Good. Okay. So you're about to have your knees injected. Are you nervous?
No, not really, because I've seen so many done in it, and it's not as bad as I thought.
Did you have a procedure yesterday as well?
Yes, I had the IV therapy with the stem cells.
So that's another great thing is when you come to our trainings, you
Yeah.
get multiple procedures.
Yeah,
You can.
I think the procedures pay for this course.
Yeah. Well, thanks, man. I appreciate the kind words.
Okay, no problem.